Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka number 62. Fly onto Him for refuge with all your being, O Bharata. By His grace, you shall obtain supreme peace and the eternal abode.
Chapter 18, Shloka 62. तमेव शरणं गच्छ सर्वभावेन भारत तत्प्रसादात् परां शान्तिं स्थानं प्राप्स्यसि शाश्वतम्.
Chapter 18, Shloka 62. As explained in the previous Shloka, if there be thus a Lord within, means a power that rules over and guides all my activities, what are my responsibilities towards Him? In this Shloka, the call of the Gita to Arjuna is to surrender himself onto the Lord. We are to live and act with our hearts resting in self-dedicated surrender to the consciousness, the life that is present everywhere through all our equipments. We are asked to identify ourselves with the Spirit rather than the vehicles of its expression. Identification with the body creates a false sense of individuality, and it is this ego that suffers and sighs. Lord says, renounce the ego and act. The ego is the cause for all our sense of imperfections and sorrows. Lord Krishna has been advising surrender of the ego onto the Lord by developing a devoted attitude of dedication. To the extent we liquidate this sense of separateness and individuality, to that extent we experience the greater perfection and joy within, which is His grace. As a result of this grace accumulated within through the integration of the personality and the constant surrender of the ego, the individual shall obtain the supreme peace, the eternal resting place. We must grow into a consciousness of the presence of the divine in all the planes of our existence. Then and then alone all the delusions end and the individual gains divine experience and comes to live fully the state of immortality of the Godhood. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.